In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your variable valve timing solenoid on your Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter. It's located on top of the engine. All right, we're going to disconnect our negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. Once you get that loose, you can wiggle that off and set it off to the side. Now you're going to unplug this by pushing in the tab and pulling. You're going to use a 10mm socket. I'm going to loosen this up, take it out. Once you take that out, you're going to pull, and it should come out. Okay, so now you want to put some oil on your O-ring. Make sure the surface is clean. And you're going to gently place it in. Now we can put our bolt in. I would just put it in by hand till it stops. And then you're going to torque that to 8 foot-pounds. All right. Okay, so now you can connect your harness. All right, and then you can put your negative on. Make sure it's pushed down, and then you can tighten that. Just snug it up, make sure your terminals don't move, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.